Hey, what's up, guys? It's Monetary Recap, and today I want to overview some really important price graphs and indexes that I think every investor and crypto investor, no matter the index that they invest in, should really take a look at and put on their horizon. The first number I think everyone should look at is the Consumer Price Index and what it entails for the inflation and how that affects consumer pricing. On all items, it's up about 7.9%, and these numbers can fluctuate a lot. Actually, I would say that it's fair to say that there's a 3 to 5% range that they could be increased. So it could really be more like 10%, but it's 7.9% for major categories. For all items. For food, it's 7.9% as well. For energy, it's almost 30%. And for all items less than food and energy, it's 6.4%. So that's probably like gas and stuff like that. It is insane. I mean, gas prices are also another thing that people should take a look at microtrends.net. You can see the price of oil. And in 2020, oil, I think futures went negative, and it was $20 a barrel. Now it's about almost $100 a barrel, which is almost a little less than 2008 before we had our crash. But the point is, we're getting there. You know, the amount of money we've printed in the past 2 years and compared to our population growth is insane. There's been no reason to print this amount of money. COVID isn't that much of an excuse to print this amount of money. If there's no fiscal growth behind the printing of this money, then this money is useless. This money is worth nothing. This money is just paper. We're cutting down trees and printing money out of nothing. And this money will continue and continue and continue to devalue and deflate. Actually, no, the wrong word. It will inflate. So if you had 100,000 10 years ago, I think it's fair to say it's worth at least 50 now, maybe 60, maybe a little less, about 20 up, give or take. But I mean, imagine that if you just held cash, you thought the best thing was to do to save. If you save money, you were trying to fight inflation, you're trying to fight rising prices. You have to fight taxes. I mean, if you're not invested in cryptocurrency or the stock market, you are severely handicapped in trying to get out of the financial rat race. I mean, everyone wants to be retired before they're 30. I know I want to be retired before I'm 30. So I think it's really important that all these investors look into what may be coming in the future. If we see inflation run rampant, we may see stocks take a nosedive as people try to take cash out and try to buy other assets that may be inflation hedges. Bitcoin may see a bit of a rise, but it's not really a hedge that people are saying it's a hedge. It's a digital property because it has a limited supply, and it tells you, okay, you have an immutable contract. You own this piece of work. You've had all this work done to create this Bitcoin. You own it. This has been Monetary Recap, guys. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Keep an eye out for Discord that we're going to be launching soon. It's going to have bots and charts and, all our TA really summarized. And so keep a lookout for that. This has been Monetary Recap, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice one.